Now there are many ways of writing your subnet mask. One of them is CIDR, Classless Interdomain Routing, or sometimes we call this as a slash notation also. So we have already seen that mask could be of 3 times 255, 2 times 255, 1 times 255. Now how this value come? 255 means we have got 8 ones. In second octet also 8 ones are there. In third octets 8 ones are there. That means how many ones are there? Total 24. So slash 24, this is called CIDR notation. Same way, this is decimal representation. This is the binary representation of your mask. Now 255 mean 8 ones, here 255 8 ones, mean total 8 plus 8 16. So slash 16 is again your CIDR notation or slash notation. Same way 255.0.0, that means we have got this 8 bits here, then rest are 0. Now because the total ones are 8, so we can write in this 8 way, slash 8. So in our case at various times we will be either using this binary format of writing subnet mask, or we are going to use the decimal, or we are going to use the CIDR notation. And because when we are using this CIDR notation, it is we do not have to write so many characters. Here it is the, we can say this is the shortest form of writing your subnet mask. So according to our needs, we will be at different times we will be using either binary, decimal or CIDR format.